So, remember when Apple dropped the fine woven case last year? The one that scuffed, scratched and looked like a cat toy only after a few weeks? Well, they have replaced it with something new, the TechWoven case for iPhone 17 Pro. But here's the question everyone's asking. Is it actually worth $59 this time, or is this another Apple flop in disguise? Let's find out. Unboxing the TechWoven case feels classic Apple. A clean cardboard box that opens with a satisfying pull tab, no tools and no frustration. Inside, you get the case front and center and some paperwork that you will probably never read. The color options for this year TechWoven are blue, purple, sienna, green and black. I grabbed the black one, or so I thought. In person, it's more like a charcoal grey. I can even see a subtle blue tint shift under certain lighting conditions. Don't get me wrong, the color's not bad, but it's definitely not true black. Now, let's talk about its design and in-hand feeling. The back of the case is made from a recycled woven polycarbonate material. Think rough denim, slightly coarse in texture and rugged. The sides are soft, rubbery and grippy. Honestly, it's a nice contrast. But here's the thing, at $59, some people might find that denim-like feel a bit cheap. Personally, I like it. It feels tough, like it could handle a drop or two. Now, let's take a look at the case from all sides. As you can see, the bottom of the case features precise cutouts for the USB-C charging port, speaker grills, and lanyard attachment points for Apple's crossbody strap. The inside of the case also features a woven material, though it's a bit finer than the outside and doesn't feel as rough. You also get magnets for MagSafe compatibility. The case offers ample lip around the camera module and the display, so you don't have to worry about scratching either when you put your phone on the table. Buttons are the highlight of this case for me. They are made from anodized aluminum and are extra clicky. The camera control button is also top-notch and works flawlessly. The TechWoven case is built well. It feels solid and will definitely protect your iPhone 17 Pro against accidental drops. I have only begun using this case for a week, so I can't say much about its long-term durability, but I did run a few tests to see how it will hold up. First, I tried to scratch the case with my keys. Surprisingly, I did not see any scratches on the case. Then I tried rubbing some dirt and soil on the case and left it for a few minutes. I cleaned the case using a disposable wipe and the TechWoven case was pristine again. After a week with the TechWoven, here's my take. Apple finally got it right. The durability issues are gone in my opinion. It's rugged, MagSafe compatible, protective and stylish in a muted premium way. Is it perfect? Not quite. The texture won't be for everyone and $59 is still steep. But if you want a fabric woven case that actually feels built to last, this is the one to get. And that about does it for this video. If you want more deep dive Apple accessory reviews, like this video and hit that subscribe button so that you never miss out our future videos. Thank you for watching and I will catch you in the next one.